So this is the Himalayan balsam. You may know it as Himalayan impatiens as well. And I will pick a flower to show you what the flowers look like. So I don't know if you can see that clearly, like that. And this is actually a weed that is spread around the world. But we are in its native homeland, the Himalayas. We are currently at around 3,000 meters above sea level. And this plant is quite remarkable by the way that it spreads its seeds, and it's one of the reasons why it's become a weed around the world. And what happens is these flowers will turn into a seed pod. That seed pod will become hard, and at some point it will explode. And it will shoot the seeds everywhere. So that's how this has become an invasive species in many parts of the world, including North America. But here, it's actually in its native land. So it's a natural homeland for this plant. It's meant to be here. And what's interesting is it's white at this altitude. At 3,000 meters, we see it to be white around here. But lower down, it's purple. So on the way down, we might be able to find some purple ones to show you as well. But a very cool and very interesting plant.